Hello traders, welcome to TradeWill's MT4 tutorial. Whether you're new to MetaTrader 4 or looking to sharpen your skills, you've come to the right place. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through every step of using MT4 for successful trading. From downloading and installing the platform to customizing charts, placing trades, and managing your account, we've got you covered. So, let's dive in and explore the powerful world of MetaTrader 4 with TradeWill. Let's get started. Step 1. Download and install MT4. First, head over to the TradeWill website. Find the download link for MetaTrader 4, MT4, and click on it. Download the MT4 installation file compatible with your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux. Once it's downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Step 2. Log in to your TradeWill account. Step 3. Access your MT4 credentials. In your TradeWill account, navigate to your profile or account center. Step 4. Fetch your MT4, username and password. Within your profile or account settings, find the option to access or retrieve your MT4 login credentials. Click on the space where it's written MT4 in the overview of the account center. Step 5. Choosing between the commission-free and the standard account. There you will spot the option of choosing between the standard and the commission-free account. For standard, the minimum deposit is $50 and the commission-free account is $200. The deposited amount will be reflected on your TradeWill app or website and can be used in MT4. Step 6. Use your MT4 credentials in the MT4 platform. Now that you have your MT4 username and password, go back to the MT4 platform. Step 7. Open a trading account. After installing MT4, launch the application. Click on File in the top left corner, then select Login to Trade Account. Enter your account credentials provided by TradeWill, account number, password, and server. Click Login to connect to your trading account. Step 8. Navigate the MT4 interface. The MT4 interface consists of several windows and panels. Market Watch displays a list of available trading instruments. Navigator lists your accounts, indicators, expert advisors, and scripts. Chart window displays price charts for specific currency pairs or instruments. Terminal shows your account information, trade history, and open positions. Toolbox contains various tools and options. Step 9. Customize your charts. To open a chart, go to File and New Chart, or use the Market Watch panel to drag and drop an instrument onto a chart. Customize your chart by selecting timeframes, adding indicators, drawing tools, and changing chart properties. Step 10. Place trades. To place a trade, right-click on the chart and select Trading, or use the New Order button in the toolbar. Choose the trading instrument, lot size, and order type, market or pending. Set stop loss and take profit levels if desired. Click Buy or Sell to execute the trade. Step 11. Monitor your trades. Open positions are displayed in the terminal window under the Trade tab. You can modify or close your trades by right-clicking on them in the terminal and selecting the desired action. Step 12. Use indicators and expert advisors, EAs. To add indicators, go to Insert and Indicators and select the desired indicator. To use EAs, go to the Navigator panel, find your EA, and drag it onto a chart. Step 13. Analyze and manage your account. Keep an eye on your account balance, equity, margin, and free margin in the terminal window. Use the History tab in the terminal to review your trade history. Step 14. Save your workspace. Customize your MT4 workspace with your preferred charts and settings. Go to Charts MT Templates and save your workspace layout for easy access. Step 15. log out and exit. In order to sign out of your trading account, first click on the Exit button, as indicated, and then proceed by clicking on the X button. Step 16. Withdrawal. For withdrawals, you have to go to the TradeWill page, and in the Account Center, where you can easily spot the withdrawal option, click on it and choose MT4 for the withdrawals and proceed with the details you have provided. Now you're all set to start trading with MetaTrader 4 on TradeWill. We will see you in our next tutorial video. Till then, keep earning, keep trading.